Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have an eating video for you guys. Abraham, what are you doing? I have another eating video for you guys. So you know what, these eating videos are easier because I eat every day, so why not record it when I'm eating? Abraham, get out. Get out. Anyway, so today I have some fufu and pepper soup. I can't really show you guys the pepper. Oh, please don't take a picture of these two things. I forgot. Please and thank you. And my soup is cool. Anyways. Abraham, can you please heat up my soup?
Give me 2 seconds. Let me send this down.
1. Actually, 2 seconds just passed on the camera.
Oh, it didn't.
So today I am eating fufu with pepper soup. The pepper soup is not here right now, so it's on its way. Anyways, I don't know if I told you guys before. If you watch my other video, my other fufu and pepper soup video, you'll know that I don't eat fufu and pepper soup with my hand. I know my thing on this channel is no spoons, this and that and this, but I feel like the soup is not slippery enough for me to eat it with my hand. And when I dip the fufu in the soup, I like to see the soup on the fufu. But when I dip the fufu in the pepper soup, it's like a plain pepper. It's like a plain fufu with seasoning on it that's going in my mouth, and I can't scoop the soup with my fingers because it will look weird, and I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. So I use a spoon. I cut the fufu, and then, you know, with the soup and everything in the spoon, I eat it. And that's how I like my fufu. This is the only time, I won't say the only time, but this is one of the time that you will ever see me use a spoon on this channel. When if I'm eating like something thicker with the fufu, like GB soup or egusi or palm butter or palava sauce, okra, stuff like that, you will see I will use my hand because I could just scoop up the soup with the fufu. But with the pepper soup, I can't really do that. So I have my handy dandy bowl here. So first I'm just gonna wash my hand because I'm gonna use my hand to do the rest of them. Thank you, Mr. Abe. So this is the pepper soup. Not really too much. So let me wash my hand. And then I'm gonna take this fufu. This is fufu, not GB or pounded yam. This is straight up fufu. Take the fufu, put it in there, and then my soup. And the thing is, so let me tell you everything that's in this soup, the meat and stuff. So I have some turkey, chicken feet, bone. I have tripe, fish, dried chicken, all of this. This is all of that. And then, did I already say tripe? Yeah. Well, if I didn't say tripe. So yeah, that's all that is in here. And then I have some okra in here. So I'm just gonna dump this in here so I can be able to have easy access to both of them at the same time. So there we go. Everything. Ooh, I need to get like a very clear glass bowl so you guys could be able to, like, you know, see my food properly. So I have this okra in here. I'm just gonna mash this up. Even with the okra, it still doesn't make it as thick as I want it, so I'm still gonna eat it with the spoon. Like, this is what I'm talking about. I don't know if you guys even know what I'm talking about, but look it. When I break the fufu, like, I know you can probably see the soup, but I don't like it like that. I like to see the thickness of the soup on it. But since I can't do that, I'm gonna use a spoon. Darn it, I wish I could show you guys what it looks like.
Supposed to cover up your microphone. I'm just surprised that my bicep.
And the crazy thing is, the what?
I'm surprised my bicep is still this size.
The thing is, if you guys haven't met him, this is my best friend, Abraham.
Y'all bet me twice now.
Actually, the other one that didn't meet you because the video got deleted, remember? I told you that.
Oh. And that one was right here?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Anyway, so this is tripe. I have never been the tripe fan or any type of intestine fan. Tripe is cow intestine. Well, I believe it's like the cow's stomach. I don't know.
I haven't had one animal.
But anyways, I don't like it. I feel like it tastes weird when you're chewing it. I feel like
it's something like that liver taste and stuff. The way how you can chew liver.
No liver. Oh. But look, it's right here.
Oh yeah, I don't like that shit.
I don't like it. I feel like I don't know. Yeah, like the way it feels when I'm chewing it, it's just I don't like it. So every time I see it in my food, I always take it out.
Thought I was the only one.
Abraham.
Huh? Sorry. I'm trying to see if this will work as a replacement. But I forgot you recorded the entire video right here. Hopefully I didn't mess up your sound.
You're messing it up. You're still talking. You're so annoying. Anyways, I have a video on my channel showing you guys how to make the pepper soup and the fufu. I have a couple of videos on my channel showing you guys how to make fufu. Go check those out. I will put the link in the description. So yeah. But still, let me tell you guys how the easiest, like, I don't understand why people still be asked, people like, there is like this one video on my channel on how to make fufu. I wasn't talking to you. On how to make fufu. And it's like, it wasn't even me that was making the fufu. It was my friend who was making the fufu, and she was making it on the stove. So that's like the video, like if you go on my channel, that's like the most viewed video on my channel. And people be like, I feel like that's like the first video people watch on my channel, because a lot of people always search up like fufu and how to make fufu and stuff like that. So I feel like that's like the first video people watch on my channel. So they don't really go through my videos to see that I have other videos there that are easier, like that are easiest ways to make fufu. Like the way I made this in a microwave. Not many people know that you can make fufu in a microwave, but I have that on there and people don't know. So let me just explain to you guys a little bit how you can make fufu in the microwave. So you take your desired amount of fufu. The fufu package is you can get the fufu package from Walmart. Did I just say Walmart? You can get imagine you can get fufu from Walmart.
Yeah, that would be there.
Oh, that would be the ish. But anyways, you can get the fufu package from any African store, and you can also get it from the African supermarket. I'll put the link in the description. Wait, hold on. So you'll take your desired amount of fufu. You'll even so annoying. You'll take your desired amount of fufu. You'll put it in a bowl, like a deep size type of bowl. Like you won't put your fufu in here. Obviously, you cannot make this. You cannot make fufu in here because it's flat. You'll need something like this, or like a deeper bowl like this. And the size, the amount of fufu you're making depend on the size of the bowl. So if you're making more fufu, obviously you'll use a bigger and a deeper bowl. If you're making a little bit of fufu, you need like a bowl like this. With this fufu, I only made like one knot, so I used something like this, but it was a little bit deeper than that. So the deeper the bowl, the better of, how do I say this? The deeper the bowl, the
more you can make.
No, like it's easier for you to mix it. Yeah, the deepness from the, I don't even know how to say it. Whatever. The deeper the bowl, it make it easier for you to mix. For you to mix it, okay?
No, I'm laughing at this.
You're so annoying. Anyways, the size of the bowl makes. Why am I still trying to figure this out? But anyways, yeah. So you'll take your bowl, get your desired amount of fufu, you put it in the bowl. The first thing you're gonna do is add water. You add water. I will say start up with a little bit of water. Oh, this fufu is going down my throat so perfectly, like I don't even want to talk anymore. Don't post that thing on Snapchat.
I was laughing at what you just said.
So you add a little bit of water, and you can use a spoon, but I think it's easier when you use your hand. So you use your hand, and you stir it. As you're stirring, the fufu will absorb the water. Then you add more water. You'll keep adding water and keep mixing until you get the consistency that you want. And I have, in the video that I have on YouTube, on my channel, it shows you the different type of consistency that you will get depending on what you want. If you want GB, you'll want your fufu, the mixture to be a little bit thicker. If you want fufu, you'll want the mixture to be a little bit loose. So if you're interested, go watch the video on my channel. I'm explaining it and showing you at the same time. And I will put the link in the description. I thought it was a bone. And then how to make pepper soup. Well, this kind of pepper soup. So you'll put together, I won't say a lot of different type of meat, because not everybody really like doing stuff like that. So you'll take your desired choices. Why is it that nothing wants to come out of my mouth to like the correct words? The correct words are not coming out of my mouth. Anyways. Oh, Abraham, you nasty boy. But anyways.
Let me do it.
Bible. You'll take your meat. As you can see in this one, there's different type, like chicken, fish, whatever, turkey. If you want to use all goat meat, that is up to you. If you want to use all beef, that is up to you. If you want to use all chicken, that is up to you. If you want to use
no meat,
that is nasty.
Well, you can say it's up to them too. What about the vegetarians? I rest my case.
I don't know how pepper soup tastes without meat. Like, how does pepper soup taste without meat?
That's a great question.
Isn't the point of pepper soup is so you can drink the soup and then eat the meat?
You're supposed to eat it again, huh?
Exactly. So it's like you said. I mean,
hey man, vegans.
I don't know. Maybe you. I don't know.
Vegans will enjoy it.
But how the meat helps the taste, add the flavor to the soup, right?
Yeah, it does.
So like, how I never thought about that. So how will pepper soup taste without no meat?
Now you got something for your channel.
I am not doing that.
Why not?
Yeah, I should.
I know you got Africans on there. China said if they want you to try it first, you know what I'm saying? You will try it here first. And then they will see if they want to do it from there.
I never really thought about it. But I never seen it before. Somebody make pepper soup without meat. Well, you can try it. Every one FUFU.
Not for real.
Huh?
Beans.
Huh?
Beans.
Try, man. You said what?
I said not.
Not for a while.
Not for real.
What does that mean?
I mean, like, I don't really eat during the day. I don't know why. Well, not really during the day. I don't really eat in the morning. I don't know.
It's not in the morning. It's actually 1 o'clock.
You know what I mean.
I have no idea what you mean.
There's something for? You want to switch? That took you way too long to drink that little bottle.
You want to take over?
That took way too long for you to drink that
And so?
I'm just saying, that took way too long for a little bottle.
Who?
I got that done in 2 seconds.
Okay, come try it. Let's see who's gonna drink water fastest.
What?
Since he like to always challenge me. Come down here.
So I was about to. Oh, you said something about Gemini as well.
Abraham.
Oh, you don't need to say it anyway. She's not a Gemini.
Sit down. Well, squat down.
Hey guys.
I know it's all. Abraham. Ready? Come this way.
Oh,
why are you smiling? You're so annoying.
Cause like. You ready? Let's start when that thing hit 20.
Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
And she just got done swallowing. Right.
We'll see later on who won.
I won for sure.
You did not win. I won.
I was going to start the beginning.
I said that I won.
That's why I just drank one of your waters.
I'm
now
even
you're one
full.
short.
Now I'm full. Thank you, Abraham.
Y'all are welcome. Let me look juicy.
I don't know why I put lipstick on. Yo, can you pass me a napkin or a tissue?
I know I was just something when I was coming downstairs.
Remember, I don't know if you guys watched my last video, but I was complaining that I didn't have chicken feet in my last soup. Guess what I have? I have chicken feet.
Feet of the chicken.
Chicken feet from the what time is it?
102. 201.
You lying.
It's 102.
Chicken feet is the best. Abraham, what are you doing?
Being annoying.
Yeah. Okay, so after you add your meat to the pot, let me go back to the pepper soup. So after you add your meat to the pot, you'll just add your seasonings, your okra, bell peppers, habanero peppers, onions, whatever you want to put in it. You add your seasonings, whatever type of seasoning you want to use, you add it to it, and then you put it on the stove. You let it cook until all the meat is cooked fully. And your soup is ready. But anyways, I have a video also on my channel with that. I'll put the link down in the description box below. I don't know why I became so full, but now I'm full. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Please leave a comment down below. What are some things you like to see more of on my channel? Thank you. Bye-bye. I know damn well y'all don't want to see Abraham again, so he's not coming back.
Call on that face.
Call on who face?
Do this one like where you close the camera.
Like this?
Yeah.
No, I'm not doing that.
No, I'll do it.